It is named after the spider and uses its web as a metaphor for false gods. Al-Ankabut. This surah is known as the news or the tidings. An-Naba. It is named after Joseph and is considered the best of stories. Yusuf. This surah begins with, "O you who are wrapped in garments." Al-Mudaththir. It is named after the earthquake. Az-Zalzala. This surah describes the story of the people of the elephant. Al-Fil. It is named after the light and contains the verse of hijab. An-No. This surah swears by the fig and the olive. At-Tin. It is named after the sun and speaks of the purification of the soul. Ash-Shams. This surah is the 112th chapter and is equivalent to 1/3 of the Quran. Al-Ikhlas. It is named after the time or the era. Al-As. This surah details the story of Adam, alayhi salam, and Iblis. Al-Araf. It is named after the believer and mentions the story of a believer from Pharaoh's family. Ghafir. This surah begins with Ha-Mim and details the stages of human creation. Fussilat. It is the final surah of the Quran. An-Nas.